From the forest to the finished product, lumber processing is heavy-duty work. Equipment must withstand changing weather, heavy loads, demanding starts and stops, and continuous operation in dirty environments. That's why distributors, motor shops, MRO teams, and OEMs rely on WorldWide Electric for durable, replacement-ready solutions. Motors for saws, pumps, and fans, reducers for conveyors and handling, VFDs and starters for motor control, generators for reliable remote power. From cutting to mixing, our products keep mills and production lines moving. When replacement equipment is needed, availability matters. Our quality, cost-effective products are in stock and ready to ship, helping reduce downtime and restore production. WorldWide Electric, built for heavy-duty work, ready to keep production moving. Contact your local distributor or motor shop and ask for WorldWide Electric.